That's Macky boy. Look how big he's done, guys. Look how big Max has gotten. Look at our big boy Mac. He has a piece of wood in his mouth. Yeah, tossed it over there so he wouldn't get it. It's the yard so far. Covered in ice. It was covered in ice. The chickens are doing good down there. And everything's doing good, just been hanging out with Macky boy. Sorry for the lack of uploads, but trying to like figure out on how to do this recording with the GoPro or the little action camera thing I got. I just can't get it. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys later.